What's up, everybody? No, I'm good. This is Bruce, Core Multimedia Solutions here at the Legacy in Stonebriar. This is the Legacy, one of the Legacy 1 and 2. And very cool. So I'm sitting in front of you looking at a control panel. So we designed this. So we took the previous existing panels that were like this, not this pretty, and we took them to a shop to have them custom cut and then completely whitened and sprayed. So now you have this nice pretty white color that I think somebody's already jacked it up and damaged it, but at least you can kind of see what we do. We have two keypads in here. One is a Savant control keypad for all the lighting and control, and this is a company called Xilica. So Xilica is also one of the companies that we used from the control platform. It ties into Savant, so if I'm looking at the app, it'll just show audio. That's because we were able to take the Xilica platform and put it into Savant. But this is a Xilica keypad, and what's cool is you can see like ceiling speakers option. You touch this, I basically turn this on. All right, and then we got house music volume. So we have a couple audio sources in here. One of the audio sources is just the house music. The second audio source is going to come from a panel that we have. Oh, here it is. Let's see if we can do this. All right, see this cool panel right here? So it says Legacy A South. So we have panels on every one of these walls, and the neat thing about this panel, and this is the other cool thing about Savant, is if you can see right here, we have HDMI in, HDMI out, XLR in, XLR out. We have data and coax and telephone. So this looks the exact same way in every single room. The idea and the concept is if they rent out this room and somebody puts a DJ booth right here, they can plug in to one of the XLRs and play the audio through the ceiling speakers, which are boom up there, right? Or they can play through that and also have monitor speakers here. The other cool thing too is if they want to go on that side of the room and plug in some monitor speakers, and on that side of the room and plug in monitor speakers, and on that side of the room plug in monitor speakers, they can do that as well and tie it in. That's where the out comes from, because basically every one of these turns into live out for this particular area. The other amazing thing that we've done is we've created a video solution for them. So if they are doing a presentation on this side of the room and they have a TV, but they're having some sort of sporting event and they want multiple TVs, they can put TVs at every single one of the locations where we have a wall plate, and they can use the HDMI out to plug it into that TV and then have one video source popping in. So it's very, very cool, and on the app you can basically drag and drop the locations of where you want to actually show the video. So they can do video and audio, plugging in to one faceplate and then controlling it from their iPad or their iPhone, because I can control everything on my iPhone. If they just want the local source from a lighting and audio perspective, that's where they come to these, or they can actually control that from the phone as well. So very, very cool thing that we did in each and every one of these ballrooms. We did them in the hallways as well, and just upgrading their old technology to something that's very cool, uniform, simple to use, and it eliminates all the hard work and effort for somebody having to go back and physically go into the AV closet and do like a plug and play like one of the old telephone rooms used to do. So it's a great solution, clearly using technology from current today, using Savant and their amazing platform to make this thing happen. So this is Bruce Solis, Core Multimedia Solutions. Think you got a problem? Call us for solutions, whether it's your hotel, bar, restaurant, house. We'll find something, and whether it's Savant or something else. Peace. Y'all have a blessed day.